Okay, so let us proceed with our next topic. Now, ang lesson po natin will be about solving equations involving rational expressions. No? So, pag sinabing rational expressions, yan yung mga expression na mayroong polynomial in the numerator or in the denominator or in both the numerator or the denominator. No, so dahil equations na siya, ibig sabihin, meron na tayong makikitang equal sign and it will be equal to pwedeng another rational expression or pwedeng, kagaya ng nasa examples natin, ay numbers na rin. No, so here are the steps in solving rational equations. No, so ang first one is to eliminate the denominator by multiplying the whole equation by the LCD. Ito po yung standard steps natin. No, so ibig sabihin, hahanapin natin ang LCD and kapag ginawa kasi natin itong process na to, mawawala yung ating mga denominator. No, so kapag nawala ng denominator, magiging normal na lang siya na linear equation. So the next step will be solving the linear equation using the properties of equality. And then, check natin kung tama po yung ating sagot. No? So, syempre, we will apply the substitution property para makita kung mag-equal nga ba yung left and right side of the equation. So, gawin po natin itong first example natin. No? So, for the first example, we have 5a over 6 equals 20. Okay? So, again, our first step is to eliminate the denominator 6. Na po. So, to eliminate it, multiply the whole equation by the LCD. Na po. So, as you can see, ito lang naman ang ating denominator. So, hindi na natin to kailangan pang i-overthink. No? So, syempre, ang magiging LCD na po niyan, if we have 6 and 20 over 1 dito, no? So, over 1. No, 6 and 1, the LCD will be 6 na po. Now, so let us multiply the whole equation. 5a over 6 equals 20 over 1 by the LCD, which is 6. Okay? So, again, we can multiply and then divide. No? Or pwede rin naman dumiretso tayo sa divide para hindi na ganun kalaki yung imumultiply natin afterwards. Okay? So, since we can cancel 6 and 6 here, cancel na natin ito. Okay, so this will become 1. 1 times 5a is still, if you answered 5a, you are correct. Na po. Next, so for this one, we have numbers naman to, no? So pwedeng 6 times 20 divided by 1, no? So 6 times 20, if you answered 120, then you are correct naman. No, so 0, then 6 times 2 is 12. Okay, so no need to write na yung 1 kasi 120 divided by 1 naman ay 120 pa din. So now, let us eliminate naman yung ating numerical coefficient. No, so how are we going to eliminate the numerical coefficient? No, so syempre dahil ito ay multiplication, 5 times a yan, we do the reverse process, no? So we will now divide. No, so let us divide the whole equation by 5. Okay, so 5a divided by 5 ay a. And then 120 divided by 5 is... Sorry. Ayan. So, 120 divided by 5, o tayo mag-divide sa isang gilid. 120, long division with 5. Okay? So, ilang 5 po mayroon sa ating 120? Unahin natin sa 12, no? So, we have 2 5s there. 2 times 5, we have 10. Then, subtract. 12 minus 10 is 2. Then, bring down yung 0. Okay? So, ilang 5 meron sa 20, no? So, we have here 4. 4 times 5 ay 20. Subtracting the 2, we have 0. So, therefore, A equals 24. Okay? Now, let us proceed with example number 2. Okay, so let us now proceed with this example number 2. No, medyo ina-adjust ko lang yung aking stand. So for example number 2, same lang siya halos ng process ng example number 1. No, so again, we have here a denominator, no, isa lang yung denominator, so ibig sabihin, yun na rin yung ating magiging LCD. No, so before we proceed, no, check muna natin kung tama ba yung magiging sagot natin dito, o yung naging sagot natin dito. So we have here 24, no, 5 times 24 over 6 equals 20, no. So sige, gamitan natin ng ibang kulay. So, mag-checking kasi tayo. Dito ko na lang ilalagay yung checking sa bandang taas, no? So, 5 times, medyo maliit, 24. 5 times 24 over 6 equals 20, no? So, check natin. Alam natin na 24 divided by 6 is, no, if you answered 4, edi, you're correct, no? So, 5 times 4, tama naman, 20 equals 20. Therefore, our answer is correct. No, o gawin natin yung same process dito sa kasunod. So, multiplying the whole equation by the LCD, no? So, ang LCD po natin, since we have 5 and 1 here, no, is still 5. So, 2y over 5 equals 8 over 1. Multiply the whole equation by 5. Okay? So, now, let us use cancellation, no? Para mabilis tayo makapag-divide. 5 and 5. Therefore, ang matitira sa numerator is 2y equals, numbers ulit to, no? So, 5 times 8. If you answered 40, no, then you are correct, no? So, 40 over 1. Or pwedeng 40 na lang din. Now, let us eliminate the numerical coefficient of y, which is 2, no? So, to eliminate that, divide the whole equation by 2. Okay? So, cancel na yan. Therefore, y equals 40 divided by 2 is, if you answered 20, then you are correct, no? So, i-check po natin kung tama yung ating answer na 20. So, kapag hindi, di syempre mag-a-adjust po tayo sa ating solutions, no? So, dito po ako maglalagay ulit ng checking. So, 2y, syempre 2 times y yan. So, magiging 2 times 20 dahil yun yung ating sagot. So, 2 times 20 over 5 is equal to 8, no? So, pwede naman tayong mag-multiply ulit, no? So, magiging 20 times 2 is 40 divided by 5. 40 divided by 5 is 8. Pwede rin tayong medyo mag-cancellation para maliit lang yung i-multiply natin. So, 20 divided by 5 is 4. And 2 times 4 is 8. No po, so dahil nag-equal tong left and right side na ito, then our answer is correct. No, so again, what we did here is we checked our answer. No, so ito yung checking na tinatawag natin. Okay, so now let us proceed with examples 3 and 4. No, so for example 3, medyo ano to pwedeng masagot nyo na agad siya ng isang tinginan pa lang. Okay? Or pwede rin naman gamitan natin ng ating standard process of solving. Okay, so if we apply the standard process of solving, syempre, no, i-inspect natin anong LCD or least common denominator ng 6 at 6. Syempre, no, parehas silang 6. No, so let us multiply the whole equation by 6. Okay? And syempre, dahil kapag ganyan po ang ating ginawa, no, 6 and 6, pwedeng makancel yan. 6 and 6 ulit, pwede rin makancel yan. No po. So, therefore, our answer will be x equals 4. Okay? So, by inspection, diba, kita naman natin, dahil parehas ang denominator, ibig sabihin, itong numerators natin ay parehas lang din dapat. No, so x equals 4. So if we substitute, x is 4, and the 4 over 6 is equal to 4. over 6. So therefore, our answer is correct. Lumalabo yung... Okay, next. Let us proceed with the last example, no? So for this one, ayan, hindi na natin siya kaya ng by inspection lang. Ibig sabihin, we will really apply na yung finding the LCD. Okay? So you can apply any process of finding the least common denominator, no? So pwede kang mag-listing, pwede kang prime factorization, no? So kung listing ang gagawin natin, lagay lang natin sa isang tabi muna, no? So least common denominator pala. Least common denominator. Okay, so let us list the multiples of 5. So alam natin na yan ay 5, 10, 15, and so on, no? So dito sa number 2, our multiples will be 2, 4, 6, 8. Wala pang parehas, no? Ituloy natin. We have 10. And as you can see, parehas na po silang mayroong 10. Therefore, our LCD or the LCM of our denominators will be 10. Okay? So let us multiply the whole equation by 10. M over 5 is equal to 4 over 2. Multiply the whole equation by 10. 10 at saka 10. Okay, sige. Mag-divide na tayo para maliit lang yung multiply. 10 divided by 5. If your answer is 2, then you are correct na po. So 2 times m, we have 2m. Next, so for this one, pwede tayo mag-multiply 10 times 4. Di magiging 40 divided by 2 is 20. So for this part po, pwede kayong mag 10 divided by 2. Pwede din po yun, ha. So 10 divided by 2, you have 5. And 5 times 4, multiply yun. No, we have 20. Now, to eliminate po the numerical coefficient of m, divide the whole equation by 2. 2m divided by 2. Siyempre, 2 divided by 2 is 1. M na lang po iyan. And then, 20 divided by 2, it's 10. Let us do the checking on one side. So, for our checking, kopyahin natin yung original equation. So, we have m. Palitan lang natin yun ng 10 dahil yun ang sagot natin dito. So, we have 10 over, kopyahin yung iba, 5 equals 4 over 2. No. So, 10 over 5, halamang, bakit magkaiba naman yan? Hindi kagaya nung kanina. Ganito, i-perform natin yung equation or yung operations, no? So, 10 divided by 5. If you answered 2, then you're correct. No, so 5 times 2 kasi is 10. Next, 4 divided by 2. If you answered 2, then you are also correct. Kasi 2 times 2 is 4. So, nag-equal pa rin yung left and right side ng equation. Ibig sabihin, yung answer natin na 10 ay correct. Yan. Pakita natin na isang buo, yung page natin. Yeah.